6. Best evidence-based supplements for brain fog. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Health Action channel, where we break down health and wellness topics in a way that's easy to understand and easy to put into action. Have you ever found yourself staring at your screen, unable to focus, or struggling to remember even simple things? That fuzzy, sluggish feeling is what many people call brain fog, and it can affect your work, relationships, and overall quality of life. Today, we're going to talk about 6 of the best evidence-based supplements that may help reduce brain fog and support better mental clarity. We'll dive into the science behind each one and explain how they might help get your brain back on track. Ready? Let's get started. It commonly affects people with certain medical conditions, including long COVID, fibromyalgia, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, chronic fatigue syndrome, depression, autism spectrum disorder, celiac disease, and neuropsychiatric disorders. Many factors, including nutrient deficiencies or inadequacies, may contribute to brain fog symptoms. These are more common in people with medical conditions commonly associated with brain fog. This article covers 6 evidence-based supplements that may help with brain fog. 1. Vitamin D. Let's kick things off with vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is crucial for immune function and brain health. Low levels are linked to depression, poor concentration, and memory issues, all common symptoms of brain fog. People with depression are more likely to have vitamin D deficiencies. Supplementing with vitamin D has been shown to help improve mood, reduce negative thoughts, and support mental clarity. In one small study of postmenopausal women with low vitamin D levels, those who took 2000 IU daily for a year performed better in memory and learning tests than those on lower or higher doses. While more research is needed, vitamin D may be a simple and effective tool to help lift the mental haze. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Next up are omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA, the powerful fatty acids found in fish oil. Omega-3s support brain cell structure and function. Studies show they may improve memory, attention, and mood, all of which can be impacted by brain fog. In one study, people with low omega-3 intake who took 1.16 grams of DHA per day for 6 months showed significant improvements in working and episodic memory. Other research found that omega-3s helped reduce memory decline in people feeling lonely and improved depressive symptoms in many individuals. An added bonus: omega-3s may help improve anxiety symptoms, which can also worsen brain fog. What's more, omega-3 supplements may help improve anxiety symptoms. People who experience anxiety may report symptoms of brain fog because anxiety can negatively affect mood, concentration, and memory. 3. Magnesium. Magnesium is another key player. This mineral is involved in hundreds of processes in your body, including nerve function and energy production. Many people don't get enough magnesium, especially those under chronic stress. Low levels have been linked to cognitive issues, anxiety, and poor concentration. Research suggests that maintaining healthy magnesium levels can improve memory and attention, reduce susceptibility to stress, and even lower the risk of cognitive impairment in older adults. In a large study of over 2,400 adults aged 60 and above, those with higher magnesium levels performed better on cognitive tests and had lower risks of impairment. If stress is clouding your mind, magnesium could help you feel clearer and more focused. 4. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is well known for its role in immune health, but this nutrient also supports many other important functions in the body, including brain health. A study that included 80 healthy adults found that those with adequate blood levels of vitamin C performed significantly better in tests assessing memory, attention, reaction time, and focus than those with low vitamin C levels. Low vitamin C levels may also negatively affect mood, and vitamin C deficiency is linked to depression and cognitive impairment. A study in 139 young men found that higher vitamin C levels were associated with improved mood and lower rates of depression and confusion. What's more, a 2021 study trusted source suggests that vitamin C supplementation may improve mood in people with subclinical depression, which could enhance cognitive performance, thus reducing depression-related brain fog. 5. B-complex studies show that low or deficient levels of certain B vitamins can lead to symptoms of brain fog such as memory problems, difficulty concentrating, and more. In people with low levels of B vitamins, supplements may help reduce these symptoms. For example, a study in 202 people with cognitive impairment and low or deficient B12 levels found that B12 supplementation led to improved cognition in 84% of participants and improved scores on memory and attention tests in 78% of participants. A study that included 39,000 people, trusted source, found that low vitamin B12 levels were associated with poor attention and memory. Having low or deficient levels of other B vitamins, including vitamin B6 and folate, may also worsen symptoms of brain fog, including difficulties with concentration and memory. For this reason, taking a high-quality B-complex supplement may help reduce the risk of these brain fog symptoms. 6. L-theanine. L-theanine is a compound that's concentrated in green tea and other plants. Some studies suggest that taking an L-theanine supplement may help improve mental alertness, reaction time, and memory. A study in 69 adults ages 50 to 69 found that a single dose of 100.6 milligrams of L-theanine improved reaction time and working memory on cognitive tests. L-theanine supplements may also reduce tension and enhance calmness and relaxation. What's more, a small study found that 200 milligrams of L-theanine per day helped reduce stress-related symptoms and improve sleep and certain aspects of cognitive health compared with a placebo. Reducing stress, improving sleep quality, and supporting cognitive health may all help relieve brain fog. Other ways to reduce brain fog. Brain fog symptoms can be related to a number of factors, including nutrient deficiencies, lack of sleep, stress, and even undiagnosed medical issues. If you're experiencing symptoms such as memory problems, difficulty concentrating, and inability to process information, it's a good idea to talk with a healthcare professional. They can run tests that may help you find out why you're experiencing these symptoms. For example, medical conditions such as Hashimoto's thyroiditis, celiac disease, and anxiety disorders may present with brain fog symptoms. Plus, dementia and Alzheimer's disease can present with brain fog symptoms such as forgetfulness and difficulty processing information. It's critical to get the proper diagnosis and treatment if an underlying medical condition is contributing to brain fog symptoms. Some lifestyle habits can also lead to brain fog symptoms. Lack of sleep, a diet high in ultra-processed foods, and excessive alcohol intake have all been linked to poor memory, difficulty concentrating, depressive symptoms, and other cognitive issues that some people may describe as brain fog. Multiple factors may be contributing to your brain fog, so it's important to work with a medical professional to get to the bottom of why you're experiencing these symptoms and create a treatment plan. Brain fog describes cognitive symptoms such as memory problems and difficulty concentrating. Some research suggests that certain supplements may be helpful for those experiencing brain fog symptoms. Having suboptimal or low levels of certain nutrients may contribute to or cause brain fog-related symptoms, so supplementation with these nutrients may help. Thank you so much for watching. If brain fog has been weighing you down, remember you're not alone. And there are ways to support your brain health naturally. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might need it, and subscribe for more science-backed health and wellness tips. And tell us in the comments, have you tried any of these supplements? What's worked for you? We'd love to hear your experience. Take care of your brain and see you next time.